face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. In this video, you just discovered an application which pays you 5 cedis per lead. I would say $1 per lead. And actually this isn't worldwide. I'm sorry for this. This is not worldwide. It's only available for I think few people in Africa. So the available countries are Ghana, Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, and I think there's one country I've forgotten. So it's only available in 5 countries in Africa here. So the application is really legit and it pays you I'll put it in $1 per lead, which is 5 cedis here in Ghana to be specific. So this is a payment proof that I received from my mobile money, which is Momo, yesterday. And if you are able to refer more people, then you earn more. So let's go to the application. Okay, so the name of the application is called Cheaper Cash. So this is the dashboard, or I'll put it that way, the dashboard. As you can see, I cashed out 5 cedis yesterday, and so see, Amankwa Philip joined Cheaper Cash from your referral link and verified the account. This is your referral bonus, which is 5 cedis here. 5 cedis here. And I cashed out 10 cedis today, which is, I'll put it in $2 today. This is it. Someone joined through my referral link and got my bonus, and the moment you joined and you are verified too, you get $1 for free and you can cash it out. So this is what I cashed out. I mean, the proof that I showed you. So this is really legit and it's not something fake. So it works like I'll leave the download link under the description, so you check it out. So once you check under the description and you see the link, you click on it, it will direct you to Play Store to download the application. After you've downloaded the application, it will just tell you to register with your Momo or mobile money number. So you choose which number you want to register with, then you register. They will ask you for 4-digit pin, then you put in there. After you are done, or after you they bring you to the dashboard, I mean after you are here, you click on the profile. This is the profile. Click on the profile, then you scroll down. So you will see verify here. You will see verify here. So you see I am verified, so I can't click on the verify. So after you've seen the verify, then you click on verify. It will just ask you to upload some documents. I mean your passport or your voter's ID card, your SNET or something like that. So you choose the document that you have, then you take a picture of it, you upload it, then you take selfie with it too, then you upload it. So once you are approved, you immediately received $1, which you can cash it out, and after that you can start referring people to earn more as well. And don't wait till you are verified before you start referring. You can refer and cash it out even if your verification is under review. You can refer and cash it out. So this is what I have for you. This is a short video. So as I said, this is for 5 countries in Africa, which is Ghana, Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, and I've forgotten the last name though, but you can try if your country is supported. So guys, this is what I have for you. If you loved this video, please hit on the like button and comment, then share. And if you're new to this channel, interested in making money online, then kindly please hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. Thank you, bye, and hope to see you next time in my next video. Bye.
MDK, Awada.
Face, tell me that you love me.